Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Search TV. How you feel? We're back at it again, nigga, with another video. You feel me? Y'all can see we're behind on the wheel of the big Hellcat SRT motherfucker, no cap. As you can see, you feel me? We just doing a little afternoon POV, you feel me? You feel me? Talk to y'all boy, let y'all boy hit these downshield, you feel me? Hit this supercharger wine. You know, the usual, you feel me? I did just drive that bit for like, you feel me, like 10 minutes just so that bit can warm up, you feel me? Cause you don't wanna just crank this bitch up and get the, you feel me? Just going crazy in that hole. You'll fuck around and blow your motor. They better be on the side of the road with the caution lights on, no cap. I'm trying to figure out where I wanna go. I ain't gonna go too far away. Car sound good though. You can't count. You feel we moving through that bit? You feel me? SRT beat up the road, you feel me? Tight shit. You gotta make sure the police ain't behind no door on everything. I got pulled over right by my house last week. I was at the stop sign. I was like, hey, my house over there, goddamn, shit. Don't do it to me, big dog. I don't want no smoke. He was cool, though. He let me go. I damn sure was doing 70 and a 35, and I had ran a red light, but shit, he was fucking with me. He was like, man, I ain't never seen no Hellcat like that, running. Like that motherfucker truck. Little do he know I'm tired of this rap. I'm finna get this bit rap real soon, you feel me? Cause the shit already don't match, you feel me? When I drove over that little hump they had in the road and that bitch beheaded the bottom of my motherfucking bumper, my nigga. When they sent me this rap, that shit didn't match at all. I don't know if it's because of like the rest of the rap is old and the sun been cooking it, or if that shit just didn't print out right. But that shit don't match at all. Like you could definitely tell that I re-rap my shit, and we can't be running like that, nigga. That shit make our shit look like a Johnny, nigga. No doubt. What? Goddamn, say something to the camera. I'm weak as hell. That boy say he watched me on YouTube. I ain't know what to say to his ass. I said, nigga started glitching. But you'll be in this video, little bro. I got badass communication skills, goddamn. I ain't know what to tell his ass. I ain't gonna be using my little button today, you feel me, the flame kick. Last time I came through this bitch, I came through this hole down still. Boom! Scaring everybody around this hole. Nigga said it sound like 9/11 when I come through this bitch. No cap. But I ain't gonna let y'all boy hear the exhaust around that hole though. I don't gotta stop at this light. Let me see. Ain't no car coming. What did they consider? I guess it's like downtown Bessemer. I'ma call it downtown because y'all see how they be look at night. They got all these goddamn old school ass buildings and shit. This shit look like slavery shit, and I don't even think I can go down that way. I'm tweaking. I'm trying to see should I run this light. Fuck it. I might as well. I went for to sit my ass in the middle of the road, I can tell you that. Look at this weak ass road. It good there don't be no police around, you feel me? Cause they'd be giving my the benefit of the doubt when they see me doing shit. Oh shit. They got all these goddamn holes and shit on the road. They need to get this shit together. No doubt. Alright. I ain't finna be getting caught up by all these goddamn lights and shit. Nigga had to run these hoes in a minute. Alright, that bitch turning green. Shit, better turn green, goddamn. What that is? That's an undercover police. I see them lights and shit in that nigga. What's her name? You gotta watch out for them niggas. I'm gonna let his ass go first. What is? I know he gonna be looking over here. Well, actually, I don't know what the fuck that is. That is like a crackhead. That nigga like he cut grass for free. No cap. And watch how I go over that train track. You know, some of the train track, sometimes you can't tell if them bitches spaced out or tight. You fuck around, go over that bitch. Your ass be needing a whole new radiator front bumper. Go ahead and spend that 2,000 ball, cause that shit is not cheap. No cap. But how the hell? It ain't hot as it be in the morning though. I can't complain too bad. Look at these old ass houses though. I can't believe niggas really used to stay in shit like this. Like that, I know that bitch hunted. I know you go get you some water in the middle of the night. It be a bitch with holes and shit all in her skin and shit. Be staring at your ass. When you blink your eye, nigga, hey, be gone. Can't stay in no goddamn house like that. That shit look. I'll have PTSD going to sleep. No doubt. I forgot, make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Also, give me some video ideas, you feel me? I know y'all boy want to see some different shit. And I'm trying to get back on my posts and shit. It's just, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This summer, at least in Alabama, my nigga, it rained every motherfucking day, bitch. Like, throughout the whole weekend, it rained. And I'm like, bro, like, a nigga really can't do too much in the rain for real. Like, I don't know what's been going on with the weather, but the entire summer, bro, it rained. And that junk is annoying. Then you gotta worry about the polices and stuff. Like, I don't be putting nobody's life in danger, my nigga. But you know how that goes. Police just be hating. I'm used to it now. I get hated on a daily basis. That's why I'm in that cat. And everywhere I go, it smells like some shit burning. I be feel like that's my car. It better not be. Hopefully somebody burning trash. Gotta take it slow over there, goddamn hump right here. Oh shit. The police chasing somebody, ain't it? Fuck going on? Hey, we gotta keep the camera rolling for these niggas. Gotta keep the camera rolling. That nigga ain't no shit. That nigga just trying to get through the damn light. Nigga trying to act like you doing some important shit. Nigga, cut that shit out, nigga. I'm gonna go through the hood. Fuck it. But go ahead and turn, shawty. Go ahead and turn. I would turn too. But I don't know if it's a police somewhere looking at me. You know, when you the main character of the story mode, you feel me? Niggas be looking at you, but you don't be looking at them. Who these niggas is in the fight? I don't know. But don't hit me in that Crown Vic though, I know that. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I do want a different exhaust setup. But I know when I be doing that flame kit shit. When I be doing that flame kit shit, that shit be some rattle on my exhaust at different RPMs. It's really like when it's idling. I think, I don't fucking know. I don't hear it all the time, but it do the shit. And it just like, damn, if I get a whole new exhaust, it's just gonna fuck that shit up too. So I really want to figure out exactly what the hell is messed up on my what's the name? I don't even know where I'm at right now. That bitch say Rainbow Quick Stop. That freak ass gas station. Fuck that. I'm gonna run this shit. Now that nigga walking in the road. Nigga going through Belma. Not Bessemer, but Belma. On everything. I don't know where the hell I'm at. I'm trying to figure out what way I need to go. Y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video, y'all. I was just trying to get y'all boys, you feel me, a little afternoon POV. It is starting to get nighttime, and I do want to pay attention to my surroundings so I don't go back to jail. So I'm gonna get ready to cut this video off. Y'all stay tuned. I will have more litter content, you feel me. This was just something to get y'all boys on to watch, you feel me. So make sure y'all boys stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and I'll see y'all boys next time. I'm out. Peace.